Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video update. This is the end of week 3, the start of week 4 at our St Heliers project. I think we've got about 2 weeks left of the renovation works, and then 1 week to dress the place, do the snagging, and then I think I'll start taking the viewings on the 3rd week, and then we should have it let. All the rooms let by the 4th week. So I think 4 weeks from now, this property should be full. Let me turn the camera around and start. So this is the skip overflowing. We need to get rid of that and then put a new one in. So as you can see, that's the garage. Old garage door, new garage has been bricked up. That's the new windows. We've had to go with brown so that it matches the rest of the property and not look weird. Alright, let me take you around. Okay, this is room 1, which we've now walled off. Okay, there you go, not much light in here, but a decent sized room. This is the hallway to access the kitchen, which is down there, turn right. We've moved the boiler here, and we're going to put a door here as well, just to make it presentable and nice and safe. On the left, this used to be the garage. Now it's a very, very good size, well, decent size bedroom. See the windows up there. There you go, the entrance. So the bed most likely will go here. Counter, worktop counter there. Wardrobe there. And most likely chest of drawer there, and then so you've got all this space here, so that when you walk in as a tenant taking a viewing, your eye line goes across there and it looks quite spacious. Okay, so in here, that's going to be storage area. We're going to leave this kitchen to the end and then decide what we want to do with it, but all that's been painted. Ideally I like to keep that green, keep that, and then probably change everything else, but go with that sort of colour scheme. This is room 3. This would be the smallest room. Again, that used to be, well, those sliding doors there, but now the fire exit doors, sorry, the doors up, windows are up, and it's white from this side to match the back. Fire alarms are in, nice chandelier, which we'll have to change. Okay, so that's going to be the smallest room. Here, the bed would most likely go over there or there. The problem with putting it over there is that it might be too noisy for the next room. So the bed's there. Chest of drawer, sorry, the wardrobe will go there. Chest of drawer here. Counter, most likely there. Yeah, busy back. Okay, let's go upstairs. So it's going to be a bit noisy as everybody is doing some work. Alright, so this is going to be one of the larger rooms. I think we're going to leave that there actually, it's quite nice as it is. Again, there's a bedroom. Wall's been painted. I think we're going to go with white ceilings and this strange colour wall for the first time. See how that works out. Personally, I would like to stay with white, but I want to try something a bit different. This will be the existing bathroom. So put the wall up across there. Ceiling, and then the bathroom. Sorry. So this is going to be the ensuite, the bathroom, and this will be the largest room, as you can see from here. That used to be, I think. Okay, I think that's it. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye.